Scam nga ba talaga yung forex trading, crypto trading, stock trading, or hindi? So what's up guys? It's Daniel again, and today we're going to answer the question na scam nga ba talaga yung forex trading, crypto trading, stock trading, or hindi? So, well, para sa mga taong nagsasabing scam, sad to say, no. Forex trading, crypto trading, and stock trading is not a scam. But it can be used as a tool for scammers. So, pwede siyang gamitin ng mga scammers para makapang-scam ng tao. So, number one rule, if papasok kayo ng forex trading or any kind of trading, whether it's stocks or crypto, never let someone trade your money. Okay? Huwag niyong ibibigay yung pera nyo sa taong nakita nyo online na nagsasabing magte-trade siya para sa inyo. Kailangan nyo lang magpasok ng 5,000, 10,000, 15,000, and before 1 month or after 2 weeks, magiging 30,000, magiging 40,000, 50,000. That is not true. Okay? A real trader, okay, yung mga totoong trader, hindi sila nagte-trade ng pera ng ibang tao. Never nilang gagawin yon. It's either magiging funded trader sila, which is yung ibang ginagawa ng ibang trader, is hanap sila ng company na magfa-fund sa kanila, and then yung iti-trade nila is yung pera ng company, and then may commission sila sa mga profits na ginagawa nila. Or, iti-trade nila yung sariling pera nila. Okay? Never sila magte-trade or hihingi ng pera sa ibang tao. Yun yung mga totoong trader. Okay? Be wise. Be wise sa mga pinapanood, and lagi nyo tatandaan, never let someone trade your money. Okay? Always trade your money. Don't give your money to someone you saw online saying na they're going to trade for you. That's not true. That's 100% scam. So, yeah, I hope na sagot ko yung question, and thank you cause mag-a-analyze muna tayo ng chart. Pero, by the way guys, nanalo tayo sa trade na to. So, yun lang, and see you in the next one.